Welcome back to my channel, Miss Medicine. This is the quick review or one-liners of general surgery. If you are new here, subscribe to the channel and follow us on Instagram, Facebook and Telegram. First topic is thyroid carcinoma, rarest anaplastic carcinoma, worst prognosis anaplastic carcinoma, best prognosis papillary carcinoma, associated with medullary carcinoma, developing in thyroglossal cyst papillary carcinoma, least malignant papillary carcinoma, developing in Hashimoto's thyroiditis papillary carcinoma, most common type papillary carcinoma, and associated with Sama-Body's papillary carcinoma. Next topic, aneurysm. Most common cause of abdominal aortic aneurysm, atherosclerosis. Cirrhoid aneurysm commonly involves superficial temporal artery. Pseudoaneurysm usually follow trauma. Investigation of choice for peripheral aneurysm, Doppler ultrasound. Most common cause of mycotic aneurysm, Staphylococcus. Next topic, thromboangiitis obliterans or Buerger's disease. TAO, thromboangiitis obliterans, affects small and medium-sized arteries, young and smokers. Treatment of TAO, lumbar sympathectomy, zenithal nicotinate is used. Next topic, deep venous thrombosis. Clinical presentation, unilateral leg swelling, local warmth, erythema and pain. Non-invasive test to diagnose deep venous thrombosis is duplex venous ultrasound. Drug used for DVT prophylaxis, heparin. Treatment, thrombolytic therapy, bandaging, etc. Homan sign in DVT, forced dorsiflexion of foot causes calf pain. Next topic, varicose veins. Gold standard method of diagnosing varicose veins is duplex imaging. Sclerosant used in varicose veins is ethanolamine oleate. Test to demonstrate sphenofemoral incompetence is Brody-Trendelenburg test. Most common complication of stripping is ecchymosis. Cocket and Dodd's operation is subfacial leg. Most common complication of stripping is ecchymosis. Cocket and Dodd's operation, subfacial ligation. Next topic, arteriovenous fistula, AVF. Physiological effects of AVF, enhanced venous return and increased cardiac output, may cause overgrowth of limb later if in young. Nicola-Doni and Branham sign, pressure on the artery proximal to fistula causes swelling to reduce in size, a thrill brewed to cease, fall in pulse rate and pulse pressure returns to normal. Next topic, total parenteral nutrition. TPN is used as primary therapy in severe burns and short bowel syndrome, etc. Complications of total parenteral nutrition are air embolism, weight loss in 7 days, etc. Metabolic changes in TPN, essential fatty acid deficiency, electrolyte disorder, etc. Next topic, wounds and tissue repair. Healing by primary, first intention, closed wounds, edges approximated. Example, clean skin incision closed with sutures. Factors delaying wound healing, vitamin C deficiency, presence of vitamin trirol, deficiency of trace metals, zinc, copper, etc., absence of oxygen, reduced perfusion, anemia, infection, etc. Next is keloid. Appearance after few days of surgery may be familial, rarely subsides. Recurrence is common, may turn malignant. Most common site is sternum. Treatment of keloid, intralesional steroid and excision and repair. Next topic, skin graft. Partial thickness skin grafts, Thayer's graft, consist of epidermis and variable thickness of dermis. Full thickness, Wolff's graft, consist of epidermis and all of the dermis. Composite graft, Consists of skin and some underlying tissues, fat, cartilage, etc. Next topic, basal cell carcinoma. Most common site of basal cell carcinoma is face. Most common type of basal cell carcinoma is nodulo-ulcerative type. Mode of spread, direct. Excision procedure done, Mohs micrographic excision. Next is melanoma. Mode of spread of melanoma is lymphatic channels or hematogenous. Cutaneous melanoma arises from epidermal melanocytes. Most common site involved in lentigo maligna, least common is face. Most common type of melanoma is superficial spreading. Most malignant type of melanoma is nodular melanoma. Next topic, salivary glands. Most common benign parotid gland tumor is pleomorphic adenoma. Treatment of pleomorphic adenoma is superficial parotidectomy, Patay's operation. Warthin's tumor, second most common benign parotid tumor, consists of epithelial and lymphoid elements, adenolymphoma. Treatment of Warthin's tumor is superficial parotidectomy. Adenoid cystic carcinoma, salandroma. Trach-Caras tumor invades perineural space and lymphatics. Mucoepidermoid carcinoma arises from mucin secreting cells and epidermal cells. Most common benign salivary gland tumor is pleomorphic adenoma. Most of the minor salivary gland tumors are malignant. Calculi are most common in submandibular duct. Next topic, breast. Pute orange is due to lymphatic permeation. Risk factors for breast carcinoma: positive family history, nulliparous women, fatty food intake, memory dysplasia, atypical hyperplasia, sclerosing adenosis. Management of stage 1st and 2nd of breast carcinoma: lumpectomy, breast conservative therapy plus axillary clearance, radiotherapy. Mondor's disease is thrombophlebitis of breast, superficial veins. Cystosarcoma phylloids, serocystic disease of Brody, benign breast tumor. Next topic, cystic hygroma. Fluid-filled lesions of lymphatic origin is lymphangioma, brilliantly translucent. Cuff impulse is positive, associated with Turner syndrome. Trisomies, etc. Treatment of choice, excision. Next topic, branchial cyst. Most common site, upper part of neck. Wall is made of lymphoid tissue. Next, ranula, retention cyst of sublingual glands. Thyroglossal cyst, most common site, beneath the hyoid. Occupies the midline usually except in the region of thyroid cartilage. Swelling moves upwards on protrusion of the tongue as well as swallowing attachment with foramen cecum. It is painless. Next, de Quervain thyroiditis due to viral infection, increased ESR. Next topic, solitary thyroid nodule. Most common in female. Investigation of choice is FNAC. Hemithyroidectomy is done for solitary nodule. Next, MEN syndrome. MEN1, MEN2A, MEN2B. MEN1, parathyroid neoplasm, pancreas neoplasm and pituitary anterior adenoma. MEN2A, medullary carcinoma thyroid, pheochromocytomas and parathyroid hyperplasia. MEN2B, medullary carcinoma thyroid, pheochromocytomas and mucosal neuromas with distinctive murphanoid habitus. Next is thyroid medullary carcinoma. 80% cases are sporadic, 20% are familial, MEN2A and MEN2B. Thyroid medullary carcinoma is the first abnormally expressed in MEN2A, MEN2B. Stroma of MTC shows material with staining properties of amyloid. MTC can be diagnosed by demonstrating calcitonin within the MTC cells on immunohistochemical studies. total thyroidectomy is the treatment of choice. Next topic is thyroid papillary carcinoma. Most common thyroid tumor, encapsulated. Somama bodies are seen. Multifocal, least malignant. Follicular type is a variety of papillary carcinoma. Next topic, esophagus. Most common cause of esophagitis is reflux esophagitis. Young women with chylomicronemia, iron deficiency anemia, and dysphagia is Plummer-Vinson syndrome, Brown-Kelly syndrome, and sideropenic dysphagia. Kartsky ring, circular submucosal ring in the distal esophagus, usually at cranial-columnar junction. Barium study of a lady with non-progressive dysphagia for solids shows dilated esophagus with narrowing of lower part of esophagus. Diffuse esophageal spasm on barium swallow is corkscrew appearance. Dysphagia lusoria secondary to vesicular anomalies, double aortic arc, right aortic arc, etc. Zenker's diverticulum presents with intermittent dysphagia, regurgitation, gurgling sounds, etc. Managed by excision of pouch, cricopharyngeal myotomy. Mallory-Weiss syndrome, common in alcoholics. Most common site is cardia of stomach, not esophagus. Boerhaave syndrome, forceful vomiting may produce perforation of the esophagus, presents with acute chest pain. Next is achalasia cardia. Dysphagia is the presenting symptom. Increased difficulty in swallowing both solids and liquids, failure of relaxation of lower esophageal sphincter, increased pressure, X-ray shows bird beak appearance, Barrett's esophagus. Metaplasia is seen at lower end of esophagus. Squamous to columnar epithelial metaplasia is seen as a result of prolonged GERD. Most common type is intestinal metaplasia. May lead to development of adenocarcinoma, Barrett ulcer, strictures, etc. Next topic, congenital hypertrophic pyloric stenosis. Presents within 2 to 4 weeks after birth. Weight loss, hypochloremic metabolic alkalosis, fluid of choice isotonic, normal saline. Next topic, esophageal carcinoma. Predisposing factors are smoking, chronic achalasia, tylosis, Barrett's esophagus, etc. Most common type, squamous cell carcinoma. Most common site, lower end of esophagus. Most common site of adenocarcinoma, lower end. Most common site of squamous cell carcinoma, middle 1/3. Chemotherapeutic agents used cisplatin, bleomycin, and 5-FU. Next topic, gastric carcinoma. Most common site, antrum and pylorus. Predisposing factors, H. pylori, causes gastritis, gastric atrophy, blood group A, etc. Most common feature, weight loss. Early gastric carcinoma. Primary lesion limited to mucosa and submucosa. Excellent prognosis. Sister Mary Joseph's nodule, metastatic involvement of paraumbilical nodes from intrapelvic intraabdominal malignancies. Gastrointestinal stomach tumors, GIST, most common in stomach. Next topic, GI ulcers. Most common site of duodenal ulcer is duodenal cap. Curling's ulcer, GI ulcers in severe burns. Site of bleeding in duodenal ulcer is gastroduodenal artery. Treatment of perforated peptic ulcer, exploratory laparotomy, nasogastric suction, acid suppression and antibiotics, etc. Management of duodenal ulcer, highly selective vagotomy, least chances of diarrhea and dumping syndrome. Truncal vagotomy and enterectomy, lowest chances of recurrence. Causes of early dumping syndrome due to rapid emptying of hyperosmolar gastric contents into the small intestine. Next topic, appendix. Acute appendicitis. Left-sided appendicitis is diverticulosis. Enlarged lymphoid follicles associated with viral infections. Inspissated barium, etc. Pelvic and post-ileal appendicitis presents as diarrhea. Ultrasound is helpful in diagnosis. Ultrasound and CT are confirmatory. Mucocele of appendix, retention cyst, benign tumor. Appendicular carcinoid, most common malignant tumor of appendix. Next topic, Meckel's diverticulum. True congenital diverticulum, vestigial remnant of omphalomesenteric duct, Vitellian duct. 2 feet from ileocecal valve. 2 types of ectopic tissue are common, gastric and pancreatic. Torsion may lead to obstruction, ischemia and necrosis. Investigation of choice to diagnose Meckel's diverticula, technetium 99M, pertechnetate 99M TC. It can be leading point of intussusception. Next topic, colorectal carcinoma. Most common site, rectum. Most common site in colon, sigmoid colon. Most common type, adenocarcinoma. Presentation of right-sided tumor, anemia. Left-sided tumor presents as obstruction, pain. Risk factors, increased dietary fats and oils, elevated serum cholesterol, ulcerative colitis and Crohn's disease, familial adenomatous polyps. Most common site of metastasis, liver, 33% patient may have metastasis. Treatment of choice, surgery. Next topic, hernia. Spigelian hernia, interparietal hernia, subumbilical level of arcuate line. Litteris hernia, hernia of Meckel's diverticulum. Morgagni's hernia, hernia between costal and sternal parts of diaphragm. Hernia and glissade sliding hernia, content on left side are sigmoid colon and mesentery. Right side content is cecum. Femoral hernia, most common in female, most common on right side, and most common strangulates. Next and the last for this video, pancreas. Most common site of heterotrophic pancreatic tissue is stomach, annular pancreas. Second part of duodenum is surrounded by a ring of pancreatic tissue managed by duodenostomy. Further one-liners will be in next video. Make sure you will watch second part also. Thank you.